Hey everybody, this is James with wstrades.com. Want to give you an update here on CLOV or Clover Health. Found an article here from wccftech.com and it says Clover Health shares slide as a Wall Street behemoth pukes on the company's prospects. So it says Clover Health, a medical insurance provider affiliated with the U.S. Medicare program, shocked investors earlier this week as its shares registered a gain of over 20% without any discernible cause, fueling a Reddit-driven frenzy among retail investors. Well, the stock's fortunes are reversing as a Wall Street behemoth has now puked on the company's prospects. So it's talking here about Cohen Inc. analyst Gary Taylor has now pegged a $7 price target on Clover Health shares, constituting a street-wide low among analysts. At the core of Taylor's underperform rating is a healthy skepticism regarding the efficacy of the Clover Assistant platform and unmanaged FFS physician practices in yielding best-in-class care management and per capita medical costs. It says, finally, the analyst believes that Clover Health will invariably have to raise additional capital, especially as it is expected to remain a loss-making entity through 2025. Bear in mind that the company now expects to earn a full-year revenue of between $1.4 and $1.5 billion in 2021. Readers should note that Clover Health is consistently ranking as one of the most popular stocks on Reddit discussion boards. So let's take a look at some price action here. I got the daily chart pulled up. Here is that 20% blast off that was mentioned in the article here, and then it was an immediate beatdown. A lot of people watching this video are probably long Clover and they're waiting for the next short squeeze on them. So I'm sure I'm going to get some comments on this video about dark pool abuse and manipulation and these hedge funds are just killing it. But if it was me and I was long Clover, which I wasn't at this point, let's say I got in around this 850 level and I saw this thing pump 20% up to 11, I'm probably going to take profit at that level as well. I'm sure there were some people out there that saw that 20% surge and they were like, yep, that's good, I'm going to take profit, especially if there's questions about the long-term fundamentals on the financials of the company. Like if there's people out there that are really still questioning the fundamentals of the company and the long-term financial outlook, I mean, if you see a short-term 20% pump like that, that might be a good idea to take profits there. So we'll kind of see what happens. I mean, definitely this is not good price action after this big bump here. I was thinking maybe getting above this 950 level here, maybe this thing was going to run up and head up here and maybe test this 15 level or something a lot higher, maybe even around 13. As soon as this big candle stepped in, bam, sell off, beat down. So definitely not looking great right now for Clover. Being below the 21-day exponential moving average here, I would think that this thing will continue to sell off down to around the 750 level. I believe this 750 level will be a point of interest here. If it gets down to that level and continues to sell off and closes below that, and look out below because long term, you can see a level here around 650. So if it can't hold that 750 level, we might be heading down to test this longer term low down here. This is way back in May when we had that big market sell off. So I'll continue to keep you guys updated on Clover. Please like this video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell. Appreciate you guys for taking the time to watch this. Talk